Why are we making copper, iron, steel, electricity? Why are we making all these things more expensive? How can a factory in America compete if it's Brazilian input costs, if it's copper input costs, if it's steel and aluminum input costs, if it's Canadian commodity input costs are rising, while at the same time China's prices are all falling? There's going to come a point where, that iron smelter in Brazil, in Sao Paulo, is going to say, forget this factory in Pittsburgh. Why am I bothering with it? Let me just send this to Shanghai. Why am I bothering with this erratic policy that I have to check Truth Social at 4 a.m. every day? Right? So my main takeaway from this is, even if this does not materialize, even if Trump tacos at the end, as they say, what is the point of this? What are we gaining? What are we gaining from doing stuff that is so just simply unintelligent? There's no rational way to defend this. Me personally, I'm not a Democrat. I'm not a Republican. I'm an independent for all intents and purposes. I don't think either party really solves the big things that I focus on as an American, specifically with markets, with the economy, with our national debt, with enhancing real wage growth, etc. and etc. What is there to defend about an idea like this? There are some things about Trump's tariffs policy that I absolutely agree with. I absolutely agree that on certain critical production stuff, like as an example, advanced semiconductors, it probably is logical to place an unreasonable tariff on China such that the companies like Nvidia, Intel, Broadcom do not offshore that, because that is critical. But for something as basic and as fungible as iron or soybeans or copper, we are just hurting ourselves. We are not benefiting from this in any way whatsoever. So look, earnings season is coming up.